Hi guys, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you a method on how to fix the limited Wi-Fi connection on your TCL TV. Hey guys, so if your Wi-Fi says that it has a limited, then here's how to fix it. You should first turn off your TV and reset it for a while, and also your modem and Wi-Fi. So to reset your TV, just go to your settings on the system. Go to system, then at the very last part you can see the restart. So press on restart and also restart your modem, and after that just wait for a couple of minutes. I suggest 5 minutes. Then again go to your TV, then open it with along with your modem. So that should probably work, but if doesn't still work, then you can contact your TCL or Android TV's customer support to help a better to resolve your problem.